Today I have something really special for you. Are you looking for a completely renovated home on nearly 3 private acres of land with a very large detached guest house, room for animals with a 3-stall barn here in the heart of Fallbrook? Then this might be the home for you. Let's take a look from up above.
This single-story estate sits on 2.89 usable acres at the top of a private gated hilltop. Nothing looks down on you here. The main residence is 3,702 square feet, 4 bedrooms and 4 baths. Behind it sits a fully detached guest house, 2 bedrooms and 1 bath, with its own kitchen and its own entrance, measured at 1,452 square feet on the floor plan. Together, that is roughly 5,154 square feet of living space across 2 separate structures. The entire property was taken down to the studs and rebuilt, and every walkway is paved and level from the driveway straight through the front door, with no steps. Step through the door, and the first thing you meet is the view. Open hills, orchards, and mountains, framed by walls of glass across the back of the house. This is the reason people climb this hill, and it is with you from nearly every room. And listen for a second. There are no cars driving by. None of that low, constant hum of traffic that most homes just live with. Sitting at the top of a hill, at the end of your own private drive, buys you a quiet that is genuinely hard to find and easy to fall in love with. Now turn around and you see what was done here. Wide plank white oak from Monarch Plank runs underfoot. The ceilings lift into painted planks and dark beams. The light moves across the whole open floor plan, and everything you are looking at is new. The kitchen is the center of the home. A long quartz island for gathering, a professional Thermador range, 6 burners and a griddle over 2 ovens, and a Thermador refrigerator beside it, a Bosch dishwasher, a Thor ice machine, and a dual-zone wine refrigerator. The cabinetry is diamond, soft close and full extension, carried through the kitchen, the mudroom pantry, and the primary bath. The door hardware throughout the home is M-Tech. These are the details you notice on the second visit, and they are the ones that tell you the work was done properly the first time. Move through the house and feel how it connects. Everything lives on one level. No stairs and no thresholds to catch you. From the kitchen to the living room to the garden without a single step. There is a dry bar with a granite top. Both fireplaces are fully operable. The tile throughout is porcelain and ceramic. The climate runs on a Nest thermostat with a whole house fan, and the laundry pairs an LG washer and an LG dryer. The whole house is on a Pentair Pelican water softener and filtration system, so what comes out of every tap is clean. The primary suite sits apart from the rest of the home, a retreat of its own. The bath is the crown jewel. A soaking tub set into the window so you can watch the light change at the end of the day. The shower is a true roll-in with no threshold at all, frameless glass, a teak fold-down seat, and a handheld diverter. The vanity floats off the wall in granite, and the hall bath has a floating sink of its own. Every fixture and every shower valve in this home is brand new. It is a spa bath that also happens to be completely accessible, and you would never know it to look at it. Out back, the saltwater pool and spa meet the horizon with the valley opening in front of you. A waterfall spills into the pool, and there is a fire pit off the patio for the evening. The pool carries its own passive solar heating system, so the season runs long. The spa runs on propane. A large pergola shades the patio right next to a turf recreation area, and a paved level walkway takes you down from the house to the water. There is an Aqua Creek lift here as well, serving both the pool and the spa. Anyone can get in. Now cross the grounds, because there is a second home here. Fully detached and at 1,452 square feet, it lives like a real home. Its own private entrance, its own full kitchen, 2 bedrooms, and a full bathroom. Every exterior door is 0 threshold, and the bathroom has a second roll-in shower. It is completely self-contained. That means it bends to whatever you need it to be. A place for guests or extended family to stay with their own front door and their own kitchen, close by but entirely private. A home office away from the house. A studio. It is the kind of flexibility that is very hard to find already built. Then there is the land, and this is where it truly opens up. A 3-stall barn with a covered feed and storage area and 2 fully enclosed tack rooms. The stalls are guttered into rain catchment, 2 1,200-gallon tanks, and a 2,400-gallon tank. A round pen, turnouts, and open pasture past the fence line. This is real, usable, agriculture-zoned acreage ready the day you arrive. The hillside gives back too. Nearly 50 established dragon fruit plants and a grove of mature fruit trees, all on irrigation, all run from your phone through a smart HydroWise controller on 4 zones. The new planting is drought tolerant and native, so the land works with you. 2 storage outbuildings, each on a paved path. An EV charger, active solar, owned and paid for. The gate runs from an app on your phone. The circular drive holds roughly 15 vehicles with room for an RV and a boat, and there is a spot already identified to add a garage or a shop. There is no mellow roost here. The Yucca Improvement Association runs $40 a year, and its real function is the covenant that keeps every parcel around you at 2.5 acres or larger. That covenant is what protects the space you have been looking at for the last 3 minutes. And here is what I think matters most. Buying land often means inheriting somebody else's unfinished projects. Everything here is finished. The systems are new, the finishes are named brands you can look up, and the solar is owned.
So what did you think of the tour? This amazing renovated home on 2.89 acres with lots of room for crops and horses will not last long. We have a beautiful swimming pool, privacy, security, and this amazing ADU behind me. Take the opportunity now to schedule your own private tour. You'll be glad you did.